Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create a SharePoint Hub site step by step. I'll be doing this in the SharePoint Admin Center on the web. First, you need to navigate to the Active Sites page in the SharePoint Admin Center. Once you're there, you'll see a list of all the SharePoint sites in your organization. This includes communication sites and team sites connected to Microsoft 365 groups. Next, find the site you want to turn into a hub. Microsoft recommends using a communication site for this, but a modern team site works too. Click the checkbox in the left column next to that site. You'll see the row highlight to show it's selected. Now, look at the command bar at the top of the page and click the Hub button. This opens a drop-down menu with different hub-related options. The options you see depend on whether the site is already a hub or connected to one. From that drop-down, select Register as Hub Site. This opens a dialog box where you'll configure your hub. In the dialog, you'll see a field for the hub site name. Enter a display name here. This is the name that will appear when site owners are connecting their sites to your hub, so make it clear and recognizable. Below that, there's a field called People who can associate sites with this hub. This is optional. If you want to control who can connect sites to your hub, add individual users or security groups here. If you leave it empty, any user can associate their site with the hub. Once you've filled that in, click Save at the bottom of the dialog. The dialog closes, and your site is now registered as a hub. You'll see a message under the Hub tab confirming the site has been registered as a hub site. A hub navigation bar will appear at the top of the site. After your hub is created, you can customize it by going to the hub site itself. Click Settings, then select Hub Site Settings. From there, you can configure the hub logo, theme, and navigation links. To associate other sites with your new hub, go back to Active Sites, select a site, click Hub, then choose Associate with a hub site and pick your hub from the dropdown. Keep in mind that theme and navigation updates can take up to 2 hours to show up on associated sites. That's normal behavior in SharePoint Online's distributed system. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.